How to use WA Plus for your WhatsApp CRM. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This video is going to be talking about WA Plus, which is going to be a tool that is going to help you with your WhatsApp productivity. This is mostly going to be great for those who want to contact a lot of customers at the same time. You don't really want to spend a lot of time, just doing it normally with normal WhatsApp. So this is going to help you out on your website. It could be on the web. It could be a extension as well. So you can just open up your WhatsApp on the web and it's going to work for you. This tool provides you with many different things here. You can do a lot of stuff within it. It is mostly for free. It does have some sort of plans and I will show you in a sec, but it's definitely going to boost your WhatsApp productivity, as you can see here, and you can see some of the features that it provides, like auto reply, schedule messaging, a quick reply, talking to anyone with any number. You can just check out if this number has WhatsApp or not. There's plenty of things that you can do with this tool, basically. So it's you can just go to the website waplus.io to get started for free. And let's just talk about first, before we get started, about the pricing. So if we just go to pricing real quick, so you can see it does offer a free plan completely for free, and you can see 3 seats, and you can see the comparison here between the free version and Starter, Pro, and Growth. I'm not going to really compare them too much here because I don't really want to waste your time. But you can just get to this page yourself and see which one is most suitable for you. Now, what we can do is either install free, just click on that. It's going to take us to the Chrome store and it's going to just take us to the actual extension here. So for this, you can just go ahead and add to Chrome very easily. I'm just going to do so real quick. And also it works the same way with Edge. So if you have Edge, you can just go to the extensions for Edge, type in the same name, and you should find it to be working there for you as well. So let me just exit out of here. So once you install your plugin, or the extension, I mean, and you should be able to find it here. So let me just go ahead and actually pin it. Great. So you have the plugin here. You're just going to open up WhatsApp for you, and you will just need to basically log into your WhatsApp account by just getting your phone and scanning this section here. Just follow the instructions here with your phone, and it should log you into your WhatsApp account. So once you sign up to your WhatsApp by using your phone, it should show you some instructions here. If you want to go through it, you can just go ahead and see all the instructions here if you want, and you can just click on OK, I got it. Also, I forgot to mention, you actually need to sign up to an account with WA Plus beforehand, so we can just click on sign up and just register. I'm just going to use my Google. It's just going to make things a lot easier for me. You can do so, or you can just enter your regular information and it should work. So regardless, once it's done, you should find yourself within this space here. So now you can see, if you are familiar with WhatsApp web, you should be able to notice right away that this section is different now. Things are different, and you can see at the top, you can see all. This is about the chat options here. So we can see all. This is going to show you all these chat options over here. You can see the unread. This is going to be the chats that you have not yet seen or read. Awaiting reply are those that you have sent a reply to, and you're just awaiting a reply from them. And then needs reply, obviously you would want to reply to them. Auto replied, it's not yet. I'm going to talk about it later on, where you'll be able to have a new reply for auto replied. You've got also more stuff here like friends, customers, and so on, which you can adjust accordingly to your liking. And you can obviously add more by just clicking on the plus icon over here. And we can actually create a new tab and just call it random people or whatever it may be that you want to add a section for. So we can just click on create, and it's actually going to create one for us if we have created or you have a plan for it. So we can just exit out of here for the time being. In here, we can actually just go ahead and filter through the things that we have here. So we can just, for example, we don't want to show the auto reply section. We can just turn it off, as you can see, or we can just turn it back on and so on. We can just add more tabs and stuff if we have upgraded. Now, for example, if we just go to all and we just click on this guy, for example, if we click on anybody, you'll see their contact information on the right side, and you can also edit them accordingly. So for example, you can add birthday to them, country, gender, so on. If we can just exit out of here, there you go. So that's for the contact info, and we can edit the sales info. So we can add more stuff here, activity stage, raising level, and so on. Obviously, we can adjust all of those things accordingly. Same goes for company info and all of those things. And we can also add notes to each individual person that we are talking to, which is great. Now, some of the things that you can do within the chat now. So this is exactly what we were doing. Here we have the AI chatbot, and you can also set up these things, but you just make sure you understand that AI chatbot is not available for the free version. Anyways, so here you can see two things here. You've got the remind me, and you've got the schedule event, and you can do both by just clicking on them and setting things up. This way you can set up reminders for each person that you have in your WhatsApp contact list, and you can contact more people if you want, even if they are not within your contacts list. To do so, we just go to chatting with non-contacts over here. Just click on it. We just add their number, and we can just go ahead and set up the chat setting, whether they're friends, customers, or any other tab that we have created. And we can just actually send a template message, which we can create, or we could just click on chat now and we can just talk to them, basically. And this one, we can just import WhatsApp numbers that we already have. So now that we have all of these things done, we've got also the WhatsApp tools here. We can just click here and we can set up our things here. We can set up auto reply, schedule messaging, broadcast messaging, and a lot of stuff we can adjust over here. So we can see add keywords reply, and things just going to make things easier for you. Here you can see the notifications and reminders. So all the notifications, you should be able to see them over here. And then here you can see also integrations that work with WA Plus, basically. So now you have the tools that are going to help you out with your WhatsApp products, not products, I mean customer, just dealing with customers and people on your WhatsApp much easier. And a lot of the stuff are for free. So for example, if you want to create schedule messaging, we can just do so by clicking here. We can select a person we want to send it to, and we can just send up the message from there by just using that. And that's pretty much it. This is how to use WA Plus. It's very easy and simple. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.